Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming backups and power. Do this now. Connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your cloud, and copy important files to a PC. Once done, confirm the phone is charged to at least 50%. Make sure you know the device model and your lock screen PIN or pattern because you will need them after the reset. Next, remove any external SD card to avoid data loss. Finally, navigate to settings quickly. This is your gateway to the reset options. Once in settings, head to System or More Settings, then Backup and Reset. This path varies by FunTouch OS, so find Backup and Reset or Restore options. Choose Factory Data Reset and read the list of items that will be removed. This explains what will be deleted and why. Tap Reset Phone, enter your lock PIN or password when prompted, and then confirm the action. The phone will reboot and begin wiping user data. This can take several minutes, so wait until the reboot finishes. After the wipe, the device boots to the Setup Assistant. Follow on-screen steps. Select language, connect Wi-Fi, and sign into your Google or Vivo account to restore backups. Make sure to reinsert the SD card only after setup. If activation fails because of factory reset protection, use the original account credentials or perform account recovery with linked email. This is why you noted those details earlier. If the phone enters a boot loop, reboot into
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.